Hello mga kapatid. Inom muna tayo ng kalamansi juice kasi masakit ang lalamunan. Anyway, I was doing this packaging mga balikbayan boxes. Ayan po. They're all in there. And it got me intrigued with this Rolex box. I don't know if it's real. But mukhang picky eh. But anyway, let's try to unbox this one. We'll see what's inside of it. Okay. Please like, subscribe, and share na lang po itong video. Ayan po. Well, let's see how much it says. Parang picky eh. Kasi, basta yung chick ba, picky na. Well, we'll see. Wow, look at the amount. Okay. Alright, mayroon siyang certificate. Let's see what's inside here. And how it look like. Kalat pa po ako dito. Yan. Sorry po. But anyway, here we go. Let's see how real it is. Yan po. Parang totoo eh. Rolex po talaga. But anyway, let's try to unbox this one. Anyway, I bought this from online pala. So, let's see. This is my, I would say first or second vlog now. My YouTube channel. And voila. It has another certificate, or this is a warranty. It says there. My certification din po. And what's this logo? It's Swiss, officially certified Swiss. Alright, so it's right here. Wow. Parang Rolex talaga. Yeah, so anyway, yan po siya. Dumating na po yung order ko. Muntik ko nang pinadala ulit sa balikbayan box in the Philippines. But anyway, that's all it. Again, please like and subscribe my video blog from YouTube. Sam Galapati po. Thank you. Mag-ingat po tayo lagi. And God bless. Bye-bye.